how to set the keyboard backspace speed to slow, normal, or fast on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on general management. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down, then tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. Next, tap on backspace speed. By default, it is set to normal, but if you want to slow it down, then you can select slow, or if you want to speed it up, you can choose fast. And that's it. So that is the backspace speed. So here, if I type in something, I can touch and hold on the backspace, and it will go a lot faster. So I'll go back in here, and we choose backspace speed to normal. And here, this is what it looks like when it's normal. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.